Zahid Sahib, the last practice has been that whenever there was no question, you came out to help us, came forward to help us.
In his Tafsir Kabir, when he was commenting on Surah Al-Fajr, وَفِي الْعَوْنَ فِي الْأَوْتَادِ, has mentioned Zilatat. He mentioned prophecy of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was commenting on that verse, and he mentioned the prophecy of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he said in Urdu that Muhammad said that मुहर्रम की 10वीं तारीख एक खास शान और अज़मत रखती है, क्योंकि उस दिन अल्लाह ताला ने मूसा को फिरौन से निजात दी थी। और मुझे उम्मीद है कि ऐसा ही मामला मेरी उम्मत में एक दिन है, ऐसा ही वाक़या मेरी उम्मत में एक दिन होगा, और उस दिन और उसी दिन मेरी कौम को अज़ाब से निजात मिलेगी। Now my question is that can we expect to be circumstances that...
Why not?
Thank you.
Because in the same which you are studying the same part, he has also discussed it further and told us that although this was revealed to Hazrat Masih Maud, yet it was not fulfilled in his time. And also he goes on to explain that it so happens many a time that one of the caliphs is in fact meant in a prophecy in whose time a certain thing would be fulfilled. But the prophecy apparently relates to the Prophet himself. While it occurs, the subject of that prophecy is fulfilled in the time of somebody who follows, and he is the caliph of that prophet. Now after saying these two things, the third what he says is this, that so far this prophecy has not been fulfilled, either in the time of Masih Maud or any of his caliph's time. So from that I expect that it will be fulfilled in one of the caliph's times in future. Whenever such a Fir'aun appears, in that caliph's time this will be fulfilled. So if you read that out fully, obviously one hopes that we'll live long enough to see this process fulfilled.
Muslim also mentioned the same context, one thing which is very relevant to indicate that there is a time of fulfillment of the prophet. When he said that एक बार 19वीं सदी में कोई फिरौन अपना नाज़ुम करेगा दिमाग पर, सारी दिमाग को काट देगी, जान पाएगा।
19वीं सदी तो गुजर गई, ये 19वीं सदी कौन सी आप कह रहे हैं? ये कौन सी सदी है? ये तो 21वीं सदी शुरू हो गई है हिजरत के लिहाज से, और हमारे हिजरत के लिहाज से तो 14वीं सदी खत्म हो गई, 15वीं शुरू हो गई है, और ये 20वीं के आखिर है, वो कुछ और होगा। 19वीं सदी नहीं, 19वीं सदी तो मसीह अलैहिस्सलाम जिस सदी में ज़ाहिर हुए थे आप थे, और दोनों सदियाँ आपने पाई, 19वीं भी और 20वीं भी।
तो अल्फाज 19वीं सदी के लिखे हैं,
19वीं तो गुजरी हुई सदी है, ये वो तो हो ही नहीं सकता। हाँ, 20वीं सदी गलती से मेरा ख्याल लिखा गया है, 19वीं गलती से लिखा गया है। तो जो मुस्तकबिल की बात कर रहे हैं वो वैसा सदी का हवाला दे रहे हैं, तो हो नहीं सकता। मस्ट बी मिस्टेक। ओके।